Good morning, my name is Ember and today we are in Palma de Mallorca. We are going to explore the city a little bit today because, as you can see, it's sunny outside and we are very happy to see some sunshine since it has been raining for the entire time we were here. This is basically take two because the first time we were exploring the city it had been raining a lot and we decided to go back early because we were soaking wet. So I'm very happy the sun is out today. It's also our last day, unfortunately. So yeah, we're just gonna make the most out of it, explore the city again a little bit since the last time was just 1 hour we were there. So yeah, let's go. We are now walking to the bus station. From our hotel it's about a 2-3 minute walk to the bus station, and then we take the bus to the city. It's about 20 minutes I would say, and it's only €2 per person. Okay, we arrived in the city. We're now gonna explore a little bit. So Palma de Mallorca offers a wide range of restaurants and cuisines. It also has a great nightlife. Unfortunately we didn't go out, but we were planning to. But from what I heard, Mallorca is great for the nightlife as well. Besides that, it's actually a pretty safe island. The crime rate is very low. Nevertheless, you should be aware for pickpockets, of course. Because of the tourists that come to Mallorca, you have to be a little bit more careful. But in general, the crime rate is very low and I never felt a moment unsafe here. In Palma, you will find a lot of historical places such as the Old Town, La Seu, Castel, Belvedere and also Parc de la Mar. Parc de la Mar refers to a small lake that's here behind me. It's a public place. It's a saltwater lake that was created in 1970. Palma de Mallorca, it's great to visit a whole year round because, as you can see now, it's like literally middle of November and the temperatures here are, today it's very nice since the sun is out. I'm walking in short sleeves and I'm still warm, so my friend, she's like walking in shorts. It's literally great. Normally there are 300 days of sunshine. Unfortunately we got like almost all the days we were here it rained. Luckily today it's dry, so we will definitely make the most out of it. So we actually wanted to go all the way there, but as you can see we're quite high up here and we have no clue how to go down. So we probably will just walk back, explore a little bit more around the cathedral and then walk down towards the road and then across the beach. Okay, so basically we are walking back to where we started because we couldn't find a way downstairs to get to the lake. So we're now walking all the way back and then we will probably go down and then head back again, because along the way when we took the bus we saw a really nice spot which we also want to check out, and along the way we will also see some other beautiful things. Anyways, we want to go down to the lake, so we will check that out. Something that's also definitely worth doing here in Palma is taking a sightseeing bus. It costs €18 per person and in total it's about 1 hour and 20 minutes. You can hop on and hop off. Every 30 minutes there will be a bus coming, and the ticket is also valid for 2 days. We definitely want to do it, but unfortunately we don't have enough time. I would definitely recommend that doing that. Walking down the lake now, that's in front of the cathedral. As you can see, there are pretty dark clouds coming in, so hopefully we will be taking the bus in time. We are planning to walk down a little bit to the nice spot that we saw when we were on the bus. Hopefully we make it on time. Luckily I have my umbrella with me and also a watertight bag to secure my camera bag, so I'm prepared, but anyways, I hope it will stay dry. Okay, so we wanted actually to take a picture on the rocks, but I think we cancel that since there are like rats here. I don't know if you can see them, they are, oh my god. So apparently people are feeding like rats, as you can see over there. Okay, we arrived back in the hotel room. I'm gonna end the video here. We're going to the beach in a minute, just enjoying, maybe see the sunset if there is a sunset, because there it's pretty cloudy as you can see here. I hope you can see it. Anyways, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to follow me on all my journeys, all my adventures. If you want to be notified, make sure also to hit the notification button. I will be uploading more often from now on. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe.